Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Janice and welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, hi. I'm so happy you decided to click on my video today. That makes my day. Today I'm going to talk about some Ipsy beauty subscriptions. I have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and the Ipsy Glam Bag. I think I'm going to do both in this video because I am so behind on videos right now and I don't have very much time to film, so we're going to do a twofer this time, okay? Alright, so if you want to see what I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and my Ipsy Glam Bag, just keep watching. To do the plus first. Why not? It's right here in my right hand. This is a once in a month beauty subscription, and this is their plus. They have 3 different ones. This one runs $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size products. So that's what I'm going to talk about right now. Okay. This month's theme is Get That Glow. They usually have a theme every month. And sometimes they have a product card. This time they really don't. I think it's just because of things that's going on. It's probably hard for them to, you know, get them from the printers, whatever. But it does talk about highlighter 101 powder liquid cream. Just talks about a little bit about some products. It's neither here nor there, but you know, it's okay. We always get a makeup bag. And this one and the plus is really cute. It's like ombre and it's got a little tassel here. And the inside's really nice. It's rather small for the plus. Gosh, it's tiny, tiny. You would think it'd be a little bigger in the plus, but it's not. But it's nice to throw in your purse, throw in some lippies or mascara, whatever. I mean, it don't have to be that. It could be anything. It could be your medication. Yeah. I take a few of those. Getting old, you know. First thing I'm going to pull out is by Galactic. Is a Skin Glow Duo. Here is the outer package. Really pretty rose gold chrome. I love chrome. Uh-oh. Well, there I go, breaking it. It is in the color Moonlight, and I actually already have this product. I got it in my BoxyCharm last year, and I do love it. So I was going to show you that one, but I forgot to bring it downstairs, but I'll just show you this one. Here's the packaging. It's got like a plastic packaging with a see-through cover. Really cute. And then we have the blush and the bronzer, and I really enjoy this. It is cream. Nice. I will be gifting this because I have one identical to it, which I've been using, so there's no sense in me having 2. And I got something from Mud Masky. Never heard of that brand. It's an after mask vitamin serum, so it's something you use after masking. That's a different concept. I mean, no, not really, because I do that anyway. Oh well, just something different. It is safety sealed. Mud Masky After Mask Vitamin Serums, pH balance, extra soothing, anti-aging, feeding, protecting, and nourishing. It is 1 fluid ounce. Okay. And next I got something from Wander Beauty. Go to Wander Beauty. And it is an eyebrow thingy kebab. Clear eyebrow gel. I like the brush. So that's kind of cool. So it's eyebrow gel in clear, which is nice because you don't have to worry about it being wrong color. And they got something from Tartist lip paint. And it is in the color Choker. It's a brown. It's pretty. Here it is. And it's dark. I'm not going to swatch it because I have so many this color dark. I mean, I like it. I just have so many. But I do like Tarte. So I'm not sure. But that is nice. And last but not least, this was my choice. We get to choose one item a month. And I chose the Colored Raine eyeshadow palette. And I do like their formula. It's vegan, cruelty-free, paraffin-free, and gluten-free. And it's a neutral palette, of course. Been getting a lot of those lately. Has a little plastic thing, of course. A mirror. And here's the palette. It's a nice size. You know, I mean, small, but plenty big enough. So those are the colors. Pretty neutral. I have used this a couple times and I do enjoy it. So, yeah. Happy to have this. Alright, next thing on the agenda is the Ipsy Glam Bag. Now that one is $12 a month. It comes in an envelope like this. And these are mostly trial size, sample size, and occasionally full size. And sometimes they throw something in the bag because it won't fit in the cosmetic bag. This also gets a cosmetic bag. And this month I got a brush. I'll show you. Oops, it's kind of got smidged. I think I chose this because this bag you get to choose also. I think this is what I chose. No, it isn't what I chose. Take that back. I chose something else. I'll show you in a minute. But this is gorgeous. Look at it. It's glittery. Got some rhinestones. And it's an eyeshadow blender brush. Can never have too many brushes. I love getting brushes. Here is the bag that one came in. And now, see what I mean? This is bigger than the Glam Bag Plus. You'd think it'd be opposite. But it don't matter. I get both. It's not a biggie. Not a big deal. And it's also an ombre again with the pink, the yellow. Nice. And then the inside is also yellow. And again, it has a card, but doesn't have a product card. So it's just like the other one. You know, just a generic card. Okay, I got the brush. Next thing I'm pulling out, now this is a trial sample size. It's by Tony Moly. It's I'm Honey Deep Moisture Rescue Mask. And I like that brand. I haven't used this. Again, another rescue mask, or mask. But I do enjoy masks, especially that type. Okay, I'm really excited about this. This is a sugar lip polish. And it is in Pina Colada. Oh, it smells like coconut. So that is a sugar scrub. Yeah, sugar. I know you can't see that, but you can feel little granules. And what you do, you just kind of scrub it on your lips. Emulsifies the dead skin on your lips. And that makes your lips nice and soft and supple so you can put on your lipstick. Plus it makes it feel really nice and smooth too. Okay, and this I'm really excited about. It's by Yenza. It's a trial size, or sample size. Pretty small, so it's probably sample. It's a BC concealer. Oh, it don't need to be big. It's a concealer, so it's probably, could be full size. I don't know. But anyway, it's a BB and CC cream concealer. Isn't that cute? Yeah. 8 Super Blends Essence. 8 Super Blends Essence. Full coverage concealer. And, oh, yeah. I forgot I opened it and kind of oozed it out here. Yeah. I think it's the heat doing that because it's been laying upstairs and it's hot upstairs. But here is, okay, got it right over my sugar scrub. Looks like a perfect color, at least on my hands. Yeah, I made a mess. Alright, I think I have one more item. Yeah, this is what I chose. It's by Tarte. It's H2O Gloss. And that is the color. It's called Below Deck. It's kind of a, I don't know, it's, what color are you? I can't tell. Right here. That's another swatch from another video. But I like this color. It's nice and sheer. It smells yummy. So that would be really nice to pop in a little bag, like the other little bag I got in a Glam Bag Plus. Alright, recap real quick. I got the gloss, the lip scrub, the concealer, the moisturizing mask, and brush and bag. All for $12. I think that's a deal. And I'm very, very, very happy with this bag. I'm actually happy with the Glam Bag Plus. We do get to choose add-ons, and I chose this. We can order as much, I can't remember how many. Gosh, I should know this before I make these videos. But anyway, I never get as much as you can choose. But I seen this and I had to have it. It's by Kate Summer. Let's see. Where are you? It's by Kate Somerville. And I do like her products a lot. This is the Wrinkle Warrior Hydration Gel. It plumps, rehydrates, and I've been using this ever since I got it. And I got this a couple weeks ago. Every morning and every night. I love it. I can't say anything nicer about it. I like it that it's a gel because in this heat I don't want a heavy cream. In the winter I don't mind, but here it is. It does have a scent, but I'm not scent sensitive. Yeah, I don't mind it. But anyway, it just feels luscious. Let me put this on the other hand. That one's got sugar on it. And it just blends in like butter. And makes your face and your skin feel soft and smooth. I can't say enough nice things about it. When I wake up in the morning, when I wear it at night, I feel my face feels nice. So yeah, I'm happy with this. I mean, I don't know if you can tell, but it just hydrates it and smooths it out, pumps it up a little bit. I love it. Okay, that is my video on the 2 Ipsy bags. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and like this video. I hope you do. And don't forget to hit that bell so you'll be notified when my next video is up. Hopefully it won't be so long this time. I'm trying to work out my schedule where I have a little energy to make a few videos and not be so behind. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's been ridiculously a long time, a good month. Also comment, I hope you like this video. Alright everyone, I'm going to sign off now, and I hope everyone's well and happy. And don't forget, just stay safe. Love y'all. Bye.